Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chintan, and I represent an organization named Jagriti Seva Sansthan, and our flagship project is Jagriti Yatra. So Jagriti Yatra, as you can see, is mainly about nurturing entrepreneurship in the tier 2 and 3 districts of India. And before I go into what we do, let me explain why we do what we do. So in the Indian demographic is generally seen as pretty much like a diamond, and it's not like a typical pyramid that we always see. It is more like a diamond which has 250 million people in the first tier 1 districts, almost 220 districts which represents tier 2 and tier 3 districts, and more than that in tier 3 districts, so around 350 million people live in tier 4 districts. So we have 220 districts and almost 60% of our population living in tier 2 and tier 3 districts. And why we focus on, and we call this demographic as Middle India, and why we are focusing on Middle India is basically this youth in Middle India have their basic necessities met. They have education, they have roof over their head, but they do not have a purpose in their life. So what we are giving them is an opportunity or a platform where they can meet role model entrepreneurs by visiting entire India, and they can take this opportunity to develop their entrepreneurial spirit and do something for India. So this in a way is our mission to create job creators in the country rather than job seekers. In the next 2 decades, we will have more than 300 million youth coming in the category of category of employment, but we will not have enough employment for them because there will not be anyone who will be creating jobs for them. So that's our focus. And as we go ahead, so as I represented, this is the demographic that we see generally. And what is Jagriti Yatra? Jagriti Yatra is a 15-day national train journey which goes across India. It visits 12 locations, and we meet 15 role models. We cover 8,000 kilometers through the circumference of India with the main motive of meeting these role models and learning directly from them and inspiring the youth to take on the challenge of entrepreneurship so that they can build India through enterprise. So in a way, we are giving this opportunity to this youth who have never seen real India by visiting villages, tier 2 and tier 3 districts, and know India and create innovation and create solutions for our problems. So, this 800. Yeah. So we have created So we have created entrepreneurs like Amit Kataria, who hails from a village in Haryana, and he has been, he was in the Yatra. He is disabled by both his limbs below, and he's a disabled person, and he's from Haryana, and he came on Yatra in 2009, and that was the first time he actually stepped out of his village. And after that, he got so inspired to do something in his village that he has now started 5 computer centers, and he's planning to have 1 computer center in each village of Haryana. There's another lady, Savita Munde, who was a sarpanch at the age of 21. After completing her term, she came on Yatra because she wanted to do something for her village and the nearby area. She started a soybean manufacturing unit in her village, and now she delivers her products across Maharashtra, and she's planning to grow further. So these are the kind of people that Yatra is creating. We have created more than 350 entrepreneurs in Middle India who are changing the entire demographic of Middle India, getting youth to have a purpose in their life, and creating this ecosystem. So we have had 3,200 plus change makers till now, and out of it we have 350 enterprises created with more than 1,200 jobs in the last 7 years. So what we need next is we have a huge network of role models, resource persons, and a lot of corporates that partner with us, and we also have a huge alumni of 3,200 plus yatris who have been on the Yatra. Now we are creating an expert cloud, which is a technology-based expert cloud which can be accessed from anywhere, And people who are looking at expertise on starting their own enterprise or scaling it up, they can use this model, use this cloud network, which is easily accessible for them. And we are also planning to create incubation centers in tier 2 and tier 3 districts, which will be physical brick and mortar structure, which will help them in growing their network. So that's the next plan with Jagriti Yatra. Thank you.